Alright guys, so this is going to be my very first system test video. So as you can see, I got a little system here that I spent all last week building and designing. So here's my panel. As you can see, it just has 3 switches. So what it has is the on and off switch, so that's on, that's off, the silence, and then that's drill. And as you can see, I get everything all wired up, and right down there is my power supply, which has 3 9-volt batteries inside and inside this junction box, and it is kind of a mess at the moment, but I just have a little temporary setup going on there. And the pull station I have is my Edwards 270 SPO, and the alarm is my Simplex 4903 9424 horn strobe. So yeah, that's pretty much the system. So I'll go ahead and test it for you guys. So 3, 2, 1. Silence, and reset the pull station. So grab my screwdriver here. Let's see here. Okay, and we'll reset, and there you go. So now I'll demonstrate the drill button. And being that this is a SmartSync model, the strobe only flashes once when the system is powered down, as you can see. Oh. There you go. So that's all I got for today. If you enjoyed, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright everyone, thanks for watching.